Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline: Bulldozer no more. Times of India. Now headlines in detail. Bulldozer no more. SC read the REACT Act on bulldozer justice, but will official fair court no needs? We don't know. Editorials: in defining a penalty for officials responsible for bulldozer justice, Supreme Court yesterday did good in its attempt to demolish the Barajan lawlessness by state government including UP, MP, Rajasthan, Assam, Gujarat, Jharkhand and Delhi. SC made three main points. One, essentially to rule of law as a safeguard against arbitrary use of state power. All important is the distinction between exercise of power in good faith and dismiss in bad faith. 2. On separation of power, it said government step on judiciary's choice when they randomly pronounce any individual guilty. Thus, state government better stand down. 3. SC correctly realized guidelines on raising houses want of suffice. It included restitution of demolished property at official personal cost in addition to payment of damage. In pursuit of its goal of no scope for arbitrariness by officials. SC retired, there's no place for collective punishment, which is what insta justice of pulling down house of so-called accused or even convicts is there's enough due process even to raise illegal construction. SC has made that more granular and pan India. Point is there never had to be a legitimate reason for nets. The wrong could be amended. For what despot politics can ever explain or attempt to justify demolishing the house of a schoolboy in a scuffle with another. Clearly, Udaipur administration had viewed the two boys not as children but from some twisted notion of culprit and victim. Bill government pay serious need administration are staffed by officials timid or fearful or both. Question is who would they fear more, court or political bosses? Bully governments may be a sign of weakness, but when politics is to be done, almost 80 houses government raised in Haryana who belonged to Muslims. This counts as a strategy. SC guidelines are unlikely to altogether stable bulldozer justice. Accountability for one in is a quantity most nebulous in government machinery when personal monetary loss is involved. Accountability will be passed around like the ball in football. SC orders is super less than let's see what the executive does. Thank you.